everyone, and welcome back to the Breakdown Tech. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 PC cases that you can get for under $50. Now, before we get into the video, I am linking all of these cases in the description down below on Amazon. However, some of them are going to be cheaper on other places, so I'll link you there as well. But if you buy through the Amazon links, it does help support the channel, and we're really grateful for that, so thank you very much in advance. Also, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this. We're going to be doing a few of these different videos. We're going to be talking about PC fans and everything. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content about PC gaming, tech in general, all of that awesome stuff. You will not regret it. Nevertheless, let's get on into the video, but we need to make sure we've set some ground rules. All of these cases are full ATX cases. They might be ATX mid-tower, but you'll be able to fit a full ATX motherboard within the case. That's something that I wanted to make sure before we got on into the build. Now, you could probably put smaller motherboards into these, but you might have to move some motherboard standoffs and things like that. But overall, all of these will fit a full ATX motherboard, so that's awesome. Now, let's get on into the video. Number 1 on our list is the Corsair Carbide Spec 04. I've recommended this case in the past, and it comes in at $44.99, depending on the color. If you go with different colors, the price might go up or go down depending on the color, but $44.99 for the black and red one. However, they also offer a yellow and black option and a gray and black option, depending on what you're looking for and the style and theme you're wanting to go with for your build. So, awesome stuff there. It comes with one 120mm fan pre-installed. You can add up to 5 more fans later if you want to while you're building the PC, or just later on down the road. Whenever you want to do it, there's up to 5 places to put more fans. It has an awesome acrylic side window that's not huge. It's not the full length of the case, but it's about medium size, and you'll be able to see your build inside, so that's pretty cool. Additionally, this is a great case for cable management with tons of cable management holes and places to store cables and put cables around things. It's going to be a great case for cable management, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to recommend it first here, because overall, for cable management, it is the best. Now, the second case here is the one from EVGA, the DG73. Now, there are upper and more expensive versions of this, but this one comes at you at just $39.99. It's a beautiful matte black finish, and it's got 1 fan in the front and 1 fan in the back, out of the box, ready to go, so your airflow should be pretty good when you get the case. However, there are plenty of options to add more fans in. Additionally, about half of the case is an acrylic side window, and this is perfect because it's going to hide your hard drives and your power supply and things like that, but you'll be able to see the beautiful PC inside, the motherboard, graphics card, processor, all that stuff, you're going to be able to see it, so pretty cool there. This is also a great build for water cooling, by the way. If you're looking for a budget water cooling case, this is probably your best bet. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome considering it comes in at $39.99, and it's from a trusted company. I mean, everybody loves EVGA, right? Right? I don't know. Anyway, moving on to number 3, we've got the Cougar MX330. This is one of those cases that isn't cheaper on Amazon, but actually cheaper on Newegg, coming in at $49.99 on Newegg and $60 on Amazon. It's got a black finish with a full acrylic side window, meaning you'll be able to see the entire system inside. I love this case. I love this look. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I don't know, it looks awesome to me, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think about any of these cases, by the way, in the comment section down below. And if you think I missed a case, let me know in the comment section down below as well. I might actually add it into the video. But more about the Cougar MX330. It also has a hidden power supply cover, which means you won't be able to see your ugly power supply. I mean, let's be honest, power supplies aren't too pretty, so the fact that this one hides it away, tucks it away, is awesome. However, speaking of another case that has a power supply cover, the DIY PC J180W comes in at $49.80. It's actually a white exterior with a black interior finish. I wanted to go and put a white case in here. I personally have had this obsession with building a white PC recently, so I thought it wasn't fair if I didn't include at least one white case in this, and that's what this one is. It has a rear fan with blue LED lighting and a front fan already installed in the system when you get it, which is freaking awesome. It has a power supply cover, it's got plenty of cable management options, and it is just a great case overall. This is a great one to consider if you're looking for a PC case under 50 bucks. It also does have a square acrylic window to be able to see the motherboard inside that'll actually be lit up by that blue fan, but overall it's not the biggest in the world, but it gets the job done. So awesome stuff there, and if you're looking for a white case under 50 bucks, this is probably your best option. Now, you can't mention a case video without mentioning Fractal Design, and today we're going to be talking about their FD-CA FD-CA-FOCUS-BK-W. Wow, what a freaking name. But Fractal Design makes awesome cases, and this isn't any exception to that rule. On Newegg, this case comes in at $49.99. It's black, it's got fans in the front with white LEDs on both of them, so you've got two LED fans in the front, nothing in the back or anything else in the case as far as fan goes, but plenty of options to add those later. If you want to add a back fan, you can without any issues. It has a large acrylic side window that lets you see the beautiful PC inside. And there you go. Those are the 5 best PC cases, in my opinion, under $50. Again, if you don't agree with me, let me know in the comment section down below what you think should be added to the list, and it might just make its way into the description. So if you're watching this video looking for a PC case, you've got tons of options in the description down below. Nevertheless, if you enjoyed this video and it did help you find a PC case, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome PC tech gaming content, things like that every single day of the week. You won't regret it. My name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown Tech, and I am out, guys. Peace.